Imagine you have a leaky pipe in your house. The plumber comes, fixes it, and leaves. But how do you know for sure the leak is gone? You'd probably turn on the faucet to check. Fixing computers with security problems is a lot like that. Computers, just like your leaky pipe, can have problems called vulnerabilities. Vulnerabilities are like holes or weak spots that bad people could use to sneak in or break things. Security teams use special tools called scanners, like magic flashlights, to look for these weak spots in computer networks. Once they find the vulnerabilities, the team needs to fix them. This might mean adding a software patch, turning off something that's dangerous, or changing some computer settings. But here's the tricky part. Just because a patch or fix is installed doesn't always mean the problem is gone. Sometimes a patch doesn't get installed everywhere, or it needs the computer to be completely restarted to work. Other times, a fix might solve only part of the problem, or there could be extra hidden places that need fixing too. Some problems are especially tricky. Imagine you're asked to turn off a flashing light, but that light is hidden in several rooms, or only turns off when you use a special switch. In computers, some vulnerabilities can hide in different places, or need extra steps to make sure they're really fixed. Because of this, security teams have to check their work. After patches are installed, they scan the computers again, like checking every pipe after repairs. Only when the scan shows that the weak spot is truly gone can everyone relax. For super serious problems, the kind that could let in the sneakiest of burglars, teams might check even more quickly and carefully just to be safe. So just like you'd make sure a plumber's repair truly stopped the leak, security teams always double-check their computer fixes. Remember, in the world of computer safety, it's important to trust, but also to verify.